Hello everyone, welcome to class. Today we'll be making this beautiful turban cap with this double rows. I already have the video for this base on my YouTube channel. I'll also be dropping the link in my description box. Welcome to class. So this tutorial will not take time at all. And then the material I'll be using to make this rows in front is organza. I'll be cutting out 2 of it. I've already cut out my measurement, as you can see, and it is measured 10 by 60. The whole length of the material is what I use, 10 inches by 60. So we're going to be cutting 2. We'll fold it into 2 like this, and just watch my video, watch my description, and sew it from that side down. We'll sew it from the upper side, we'll sew it down, then we'll leave the other ends open so that it will enable us turn it out. You can see that I have already done the other one here, and see what I've done. I have turned it out, and we're going to be top stitching on this, just folding like ½ an inch like this and top stitch neatly on it. That is what we're going to be doing for the 2 fabrics that we're going to be using to form our rows. And after that, get your needle and thread and start forming your gathers. Yes, we'll start forming the gathers from this point. From this point, we'll start forming our gathers straight down. The same thing we are doing here, if we get to the other end, is what we are going to be repeating on the other end as well. So as you can see, I'm taking my time to ensure that the gather falls on that side that I sew, because this is organza, you need to be jumping, it will not relax. So that is why I'm taking my time to arrange it. And at the end of the gathers, this is what the end result of what it looks like. So to form that rose that looks like cup, you will just twist from the point that you start forming your gather. Just twist and be twisting. You will see that it will be forming like a cup. Organza is a light material, and you cannot really see the beauty here. You twist and ensure that it gives you that cuppy rose effect. It's so beautiful, I kid you not. Video is not doing justice to this at all. So you repeat the same thing for the 2, and after you have gotten your desired design, you will then tack it down with your needle and thread to secure it, to allow it stay. So that is the same thing I'll be repeating for the other one as well. So if you notice that it's not copy enough, you can still twist it to your own design. And it's not compulsory you use organza. You can use any material of choice. I chose to use organza. I just love the effect and the effect it gives to the cap. So you can use any material of choice to form your rows. So this is me tacking it down to ensure that it stays. As you can see, our 2 rows is formed, and this is really looking beautiful. So the next thing I'll be doing here is getting my base. I've already dropped this link in my description box. I'll get my base, and I'll be attaching it to the front of the base. You can decide to attach it to the side, but now I want to do center. I'll be attaching one to this side, one to the other side, and it will be very, very close. I'm not giving gap. I'm not allowing any gap in between the 2 roses. So let me tell you, I use 2 different needle and thread to tack this my rose, and they still have the thread on it. So I have already tacked it on it like this, and I'm still going to be working with the separate needle and thread. After tacking it on it, this is what I did. I passed the needle of this rose through to the other side of the rose to give us that closeness. I want it to have this closeness and lock in the middle. So I've already done it. This is me just showing you what I did. I pass it through to the other rose like this. It will come out from the other rose, and I'll also do the same thing. I'll use the needle of the other rose, pass it through to the other one. I'll do it like 5 times to secure it properly and neatly. After I have done that, because after I finished, I realized that the two rows is just standing like, there's a way it's looking at, which I don't really like. So I will then use the needle and thread to tack it. I'll just bring the rows down a little bit by the side of each roses. I will just tack it down to the base of the cap like that. You see where my hand is pointing? I'll bring it down and just tack it to the base of my base to give it that falling effect, and it came out so beautiful. Oh, this video is not really doing justice to the beauty of this cap, and this is the end result. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. See you next time. Bye.